Bosch Aquastar water heater, pilot lights but won't stay lit.
Hello Karl, and thanks for choosing the JustAnswer.com appliance category. This unit has a motorized valve that can automatically reduce the flow if the gas burner cannot keep up with the rate of hot water use. Step 0. Locate the circuit breaker for the unit and physically disconnect power for 20 minutes to reset the controller. Do not rely on the normal power switch on the unit because the power switch for most controller-based equipment is only a signal/request to the controller but does not actually kill power to the controller. Step 1. While waiting for the 20 minutes, use a pair of pliers to remove the aerator on the tip of a bathroom sink faucet. After 20 minutes, reapply power to see if the controller behaves differently by checking the hot water output at the faucet with the aerator removed. For more specific help, please provide a specific model number. ROMER 200941194.9868178009.
This is a tankless water heater model #GWH1000P. There is no electricity for this unit.
6.4 Pilot goes out during or after hot water use 1. Pilot outage during use typically results from the unit's safety overheat/high limit sensors interrupting the pilot circuit. The GWH1000P does not have a thermostat. If inlet water is preheated, the unit will overheat, stopping the flow of gas. Plumb inlet with a cold water line only. 2. Failure to vent properly by reducing pipe diameter, improper use of elbows or not meeting required vent length are common causes that deactivate the pilot safety circuit. Confirm venting is in accordance with manufacturer specifications, see Chapter 3.7. 3. Confirm the combustion air requirements are being met in accordance with manufacturer's specifications, see Chapter 3.6. Proper venting and combustion air will ensure a proper draft. 4. Confirm that the burners in the water heater go off immediately when the hot water is turned off. If they remain on or shut down slowly, then the overheat sensor, ECO, will interrupt the pilot circuit and shut off all gas to the heater. The water valve assembly, which actuates the burners, may be dirty and require periodic maintenance, every 2 to 5 years depending on water quality and use, see Chapter 5.2. 5. Check all connections of the pilot safety circuit. The pilot safety circuit consists of a thermocouple, overheat sensor, ECO, flue gas sensor and the electromagnet, see parts diagram for locations. Clean sensor connections with light sandpaper if corrosion is evident. The electromagnet connection is 5 mm nut from the thermocouple which screws into a larger 17 mm nut. Tighten both nuts snugly but do not over-tighten. 6. Verify pilot flame completely engulfs the thermocouple tip. If pilot is too small, clean pilot orifice, see Chapter 5.3. 7. If the water has a high mineral content, the heat exchanger may be scaled internally. This restricts the water path, causing the water to overheat, which shuts all gas off to the heater. Instructions for descaling the heat exchanger are available at www.boschhotwater.com. 8. If steps 1 through 7 do not correct the problem, then confirm that the gas pressure is adequate. Ensure gas pressure is in accordance with manufacturer specifications, see Chapter 3.9. A gas pressure reading is needed to proceed further. Contact your original installer or a licensed gas technician to obtain this reading.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.